Olivia!
Yes!
Do you know what time it is?
Time?
No.
No. I don't know.
It's Thanksgiving time.
Oh, it's Thanksgiving time!
So, before you stuff your mouth with a lot of food, let's see what you're grateful for, okay?
Oh, okay.
So everybody here wrote something they're grateful for. I'm grateful for having a job. I'm grateful for having a house, something like that. The cards are right here, but one of these cards is a turkey. And when you find the turkey, you get to do the turkey dance. What is the turkey dance? Hand on your head. Everybody, hand on your head. Hand over here, and turkey, 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 turkey. Okay? So, forget the turkey. Let's be careful, okay? So, Olivia, pick a card and read it.
I'm grateful for being in love and for pizza too.
Oh, that's okay.
Also.
It's a cute card. Thank you, Olivia. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll pick a card. Someone's card. It says, I'm grateful for my family. That's cute. It's really cute. Alexander, go.
It says, I'm grateful for pasta.
Oh,
yeah.
Someone's angry.
Okay.
Go pick one. What does it say?
I've got the turkey! Turkey!
Everybody in position. Turkey, 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 turkey. Yeah.
What?
This is not like we do it in the USA. No, Ben.
What?
Move out. Get
Okay.
out. Guys, the turkey dance is like this. Okay, ready? So we've got our wings, and turkeys wobble.
Wobble.
And they gobble.
Gobble.
Okay, everyone ready?
Yeah.
Gobble, gobble,
Gobble,
gobble.
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Gobble, gobble, gobble. Wobble, wobble, wobble.
Wobble, wobble, wobble.
Good job. Okay.
I don't know. I like my version.
I like mine better.
Well, I like mine better.
It's the true American version.
You choose. It's your job. Thanks.